Okay, so today's project, we're going to be replacing the factory side marker lens with this new eBay smoked side marker lens. Installing this is pretty simple. All you need is a Torx 15 screwdriver. Start by turning the wheel so you have access to these 3 bottom Torx screws. Begin removing the 3 bottom Torx screws. After those 3 screws are removed, just go ahead and stick your fingers in here and go ahead and pull this right out to have access to the side marker. So all you got to do is just pretty much press down on it or up. Here's one, and then the other one, and it just comes out just like that. Those are the 2 tabs I was talking about. So with this removed, we can go ahead and twist this and take it off just like that. Set this down, and then we'll have to also remove the light bulb. Set this down. Now you take the new piece and you're going to insert this into the socket where the light bulb was installed in. So now, following the colors of the wires here, there's a black wire and the lighter color wire with the stripe. I already checked this with the multimeter. The black wire is negative and the other wire is positive. So we're going to follow those leads and connect the red one to the lighter color and the black wire with the black wire. Now that the colors are aligned, we're going to go ahead and insert it into here, and you can see that the light is working. Okay, now the next step is going to be to insert this into here as if it was a light bulb. So we're going to find the little slots. There we go, and then twist to lock. Okay, there it is. Now that that's been inserted, we're going to go ahead and just snap it right back into place. Just like that. Putting the screws back, same way as we took them out. We're just going to go ahead and put one in here. Grab the next one. Put it in here. Grab the next one and put it in here. And tighten the screws back in. These are not very tight. Once they're all said and done, you can enjoy your new side marker lights. Now, I got these on eBay for about 20 bucks. They weren't too expensive and they look pretty decent once you turn them off. They are smoked. Okay, that's it for today's video. Make sure you stay tuned when we get those paddle shifters working. I am working on it, and as soon as I get it all figured out, I will post it up. Thank you.